Let the blind man stick the sticker perfectly.
Join Chasing 299.
Hi there guys, it's Storm here and Nev from Chasing 299. We got the tail tidy from Oggy Knobs and Ultimate Motorcycles. As you see, we've got this theme going about the entire bike. The front axle sliders are Oggies, the actual Oggy Knobs, and then the pickup spools are also Oggy Knobs. So we got this nice theme going across the bike. So yeah, we decided, you know, the Oggy Knob tail tidy is just going to be a nice rounder off.
So now, we've discussed this at length. Are we going to fit it? Not that we can't fit it, but how do we feel about who's going to do it? We're going to do it? We're going to get the dealership to do it?
Yeah, the hard thing about that is the process does take time. Anybody that's done it themselves will tell you it's a lot of work. You've got to take the subframe apart, all the plastics off the subframe, and then rewire it. So it does take a nice amount of time. Not that we really care about that, but we've both got jobs to do, so yeah, it'll take a lot of time. So we decided the guys at Ultimate have the know-how, they have the proper equipment, and it'll still keep the warranty all in check, so that's beautiful. So we're gonna get the guys at Ultimate to do that, and yeah, so keep watching, and we'll see you soon. So guys, here's the box. We got it from Oggy. Price is on there, not that anybody cares. An MT10. It's 2016 and onwards, which is good, but here we go. Okay, so what do we got? We got padded protection. We got the flicker mount. So that's where the flickers mount onto. And we got cables and a light. Obviously, we all know legals. This is that mount that removes the clip on it, and the number plate mount here. So these two mounts will obviously mount up against the bottom of the subframe. Your bolts and instructions, I reckon the guys at Ultimate probably don't even need that. So let's go and take it to our friends at Ultimate and see what they can do for us. Thanks guys.
Hey guys, thank you very much for watching this video guys. A quick heads up, Ultimate Motorcycle Springwood has guaranteed great prices for anybody that brings in a Chasing 299 card. So guys, keep chasing 299 and thank you for watching.